Hi, I'm Tami Utley. Today we're doing a no-bake candy bouquet. No cooking required whatsoever. A lot of times I have last-minute stuff that's got it. My kids will come to me, oh, I need something for tomorrow. Oh, it's a teacher thing. Oh, it's a birthday. Oh, it's, Valentine's. I need something to bring my sweethearts. So I have a lot of this stuff already on hand. Obviously, we have a lot of candy on hand, but it's something you can quickly run to the grocery store, pick up, and then come back and make a hostess gift, birthday gift, anything you so desire, whatever you can make a seasonal gift, just anything. So I'm going to show you how to make a candy bouquet and a candy sundae. So right now I'll start with the ingredients we need, or ingredients such as it is, the materials we need. We're going to need some cellophane. It's just clear cellophane that you can pick up at the grocery store in certain times of the year, especially at Easter time. But they usually have it during any season, but you can also pick this up at the dollar store, which is really nice. You can also pick up patterned cellophane, and I use both in these. So whatever you've got, it's nice to have every season, or just some basic colors that you can use for birthdays or housewarming or hostess gifts or teacher gifts. So whatever cellophane you find, patterned and plain. Okay, you're going to need some dried beans, package of dried beans. Bamboo skewers, grocery store, okay? Any kind of container you've got sitting around the house. I just happen to have, one of these old cracked vases. Again, you can find these at the dollar store a lot, but I happen to find this at my local craft store. Your grocery store has mugs all the time, so you can do these out of coffee mugs, the fairly big coffee mugs. They have those in the seasonal all the time, so you can definitely do it out of a coffee mug. Also, we're going to do some sundaes, so any kind of goblet or sundae, the typical sundae glass where it flares out a little bit, or goblets, or I have a little sundae cup that I've got right here. I'll give you an idea of what we're going to be doing. This is a sundae glass, got it at Walmart. But again, you can find these at the dollar store. So whatever's popping around. Then the candy. Using every kind of candy I could lay my hands on. We basically have, I always get Peeps whenever they're out because my kids are big Peeps fans. So we're going to do a Valentine's one first, and we have some Peeps here. I have the birds. I don't know if I'm going to use the birds or not. These are the chocolate dipped ones, but I absolutely love making these candy bouquets with the bunny Peeps for Easter. They're so cute, and if you eat them, you give them, and then they're eaten the next day, they don't go stale. So these work out really well. I also have these chocolates. These come out seasonal, the Christmas, Halloween, Valentine's, Easter. These Palmer chocolates, and these things work great in candy bouquets. Okay, so I have a bunch of these, all different colors. And then I'm going to show you how to make a tulip. Now, in one of my other videos, I showed you how to make a rose with kisses. I'll show you again in this one. But I know the holiday crafts video shows how to make a rose. So here I'm going to show you how to make a tulip with wreaths. Okay, so we'll do that. And then I need a little bit of floral foam, a little bit of styrofoam, and I'm going to need a pair of scissors, some floral tape, and some pruning shears, okay, a ruler, and some sort of, did I tell you I need floral? This is a different kind of floral. This is the floral tape that you tape your stems with, but this is the tape that's going to hold the styrofoam in your vase or in your pot or whatever. This is duct tape, and then this is another kind of floral tape. Both will work, and my craft store carries both of these actually. So, but I always have duct tape around the house. You're not going to see it, so it doesn't matter. Okay, and I also have a little bit of leftover ribbon here, so I'm going to make a bow to put in the front. The bow is really not necessary. Most of these I don't put bows in, but I'm just going to show one anyway. And then you need some floral pins, and this is another thing that I keep a ton of around. Let me find them. They're sitting here somewhere. Oh, here they are. They're these floral pins. I thought they were called S pins because they look like an S. But these I usually buy by the 100. I use these when I'm doing cake decorating. I actually will stick my boards to my dummies. If I'm doing a dummy, I can put it on the dummy. Or when I'm traveling, I have to have a lot of stuff locked down, like my gum paste flowers, so they don't hit each other. So I'll take styrofoam and then some thick upholstery foam, put it in a box, and then the stems to the flowers I actually will hold in place with these pins. It'll go right through the foam, the upholstery foam, into the styrofoam and hold your flowers in place so you can travel. So you should keep these always, in your cake decorating kit. It's great for, figures or whatever you've got to hold in place that you don't want moving around while you're transporting. So I always have a ton of these, and I use them for these bouquets.